Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto using Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your App Store. Once installed, you'll create a new self-custody wallet or import an existing one using a recovery phrase. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you control your private keys, unlike the Coinbase exchange where they hold your assets for you. Next, you need to fund your wallet. You can buy crypto directly within the Coinbase Wallet app using a bank account or debit card. Alternatively, transfer existing cryptocurrency from your Coinbase exchange account or another external wallet. When transferring, ensure you copy the correct wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency. Keep in mind that network fees apply to transactions. Now, let's buy some crypto. Open your Coinbase wallet and find the Buy option, usually on the Assets tab. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Enter the desired amount, select your payment method, and carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees. Finally, confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. After buying, your new cryptocurrencies will appear in your Coinbase wallet portfolio. You can easily send crypto to other wallets, receive assets, or swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Remember, with a self-custody wallet, you are responsible for your private keys. Always use strong security measures, like biometric authentication, and securely back up your recovery phrase to protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.